Do you have any other chairs in this room?
Yeah, we do.
Where?
Here.
We already checked that chair.
Here.
We already checked that
Do
chair.
we have any other chairs? Where? How about any small chairs? Do we have any little? Do we have any little chairs?
Do we have like a blue comfy chair?
Yeah, we do.
Where is it?
This one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go ahead. Let me help you. Oh, Allie, look.
Gotcha.
Ooh.
What did the Easter Bunny bring?
It's lots of stuff. Let me see what we have.
Okay. A note. Let's read it. It says, "Dear Ollie, you have 5 more eggs hidden in your house. Have fun egg hunting. Happy Easter. Love, the Easter Bunny."
Both boys just found an egg.
Oh, good. Whoa. What are they? What did he bring this year?
Cookies.
Yum! Teddy bear cookies!